Hi guys and welcome to SciMarvels. Today we have an interesting equation to solve. 9 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x. Let's solve this problem step by step. First, let's normalize by dividing the entire equation by 4 to the power of x. So 9 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x. Now let's introduce an exponential identity. A to the power of n over b to the power of n equals a over b all to the power of n. By applying this identity, we have 9 over 4 to the power of x minus 6 over 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x in numerator and denominator cancel each other out, so equals 1. And for further simplifying, we can write 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power of x minus 6 over 4 equals 3 over 2 whole to the power of x equals 1. Also, we can write this equation as 3 over 2 to the power of x all to the power of 2 minus 3 over 2 all to the power of x equals 1. Now let's suppose t equals 3 over 2 to the power of x and substitute it into the equation, which give us t squared minus t equals 1. By rearranging, we have t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. Now let's solve this quadratic equation. As you know, the solution to a quadratic equation is given by minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which a equals 1, b equals minus 1, and c equals minus 1. And if we substitute this value, we have in the denominator we have 2, and for the numerator 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. Since a to the power of x must be positive for any real value of x, we choose positive roots, so t should be positive. So t equals 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. Now let's recall t. 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 equals 3 over 2 to the power of x. By taking the logarithm of both sides, we get log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 equals log of 3 over 2 to the power of x. By use the logarithm power rule identity for the right hand side, we have x times log of 3 over 2 equals log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2, which simplifies to x equal log of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 whole over log of 3 over 2, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe SciMarvels. See you in the next time. Thank you.